viewers. Over today's topic, Maryland, your car donation can help a veteran in need. Vehicle for a veteran is proud to offer a simple alternative to selling or trading in veterans support program that helps disabled veterans and other veteran program. Donate your car, truck, motorcycle, SUV, RV, or boat today to our charity car donation program over vehicle donate process is quick and easy and will allow you to eliminate the hassle of selling your vehicle. At the same time, we take care of all the work for you. Get the most out of your donation. Our car donate program offers you fast free pickup and towing of all vehicle, running or not. We pick up vehicle anywhere in Maryland. Easy vehicle donation process. The maximum possible tax deduction for your vehicle donation to charity. Acceptance of most vehicles as a donation, whether they are running or not. Help veterans when they return home. Veterans and their families can take advertising of all the benefits America veterans have available to them. There are programs and services that veterans in America can take advantage of. Helping everyone is a challenge, but it's one you can help with. All you have to do is donate your car. Donate a vehicle today and let your vehicle help a veteran in need. To schedule your vehicle donation, please complete the three easy steps and see how easy your vehicle donation to vehicle for veterans really is. For immediate scheduling of your vehicle donation, please call 1-877-646-3295 to speak with a member of our staff. Our responsive and there are to answer any question you may have. Alternate fill out an online donation form and you will be contacted by a member of our staff within 24 hours or the next business day. Save your tax deduction applicable for next year's tax. Any donation received before 11:59 p.m. on December 31 count for that tax year. A vehicle donation to vehicle for return may not seem like much to you, but it can really make a difference in the life of a veteran. Your vehicle donation can help provide needed services to veteran. Donate your vehicle and give back to disabled veterans. Of the 19.6 million veterans in the US, many require support that come from your vehicle. To donate your vehicle, call or fill out the form below. Car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, other. These donations are accepted on a case by case basis. Picture and proof of ownership may be required. Our processing partner will call this member to schedule pickup if needed. May we send text message using the member above. Optional but greatly help us to communicate with you. Do you need your receipt to do mailed to different address than the pickup address above? Please tell us about your vehicle, car, make model, your make model, vehicle, year, make model, color, miles. Complete your donation. Do you have title? Having a title increase the sale vehicle and may be required in some state. VIN required before picked of most automobiles runs drivers any mechanical issues communicate or concerns. CDF also runs the following programs. We are a non-profit. Contact with us. before you go. Not sure how to do donate your car? Enter your email to do over PDF on exactly what you need to donate your car.